Hello, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Hello. Please subscribe my YouTube channel, Emelinda God Gifted Channel. In this video, I'm going to tackle about the importance of water. Do you know that the water is very important to our body? Water is 70% in our body. So, we need to drink 7 to 8 glasses of water daily, not included the soft drinks, Pepsi, juice, and coffee. That's not included. Although they are liquid, same the water liquid, but this is not belongs to water. We need to drink 7 to 8 glasses daily. And if you drink that 7 to 8 glasses of water daily, then you need to exercise and you will